In this video, I will reveal the best strategy that you can use with moving average indicator. The strategy is called moving average crossover. This strategy is very famous, but the traders are trading it in the wrong way. So today, I will show you step by step how you can use this moving average strategy and make profits. Now, the biggest mistake that traders make is they take immediate entry once they see crossover. If they see a smaller moving average cross over a bigger moving average, they take a buy position like this. If they see a smaller moving average cross over a bigger moving average, they take a sell position like this. This is the worst way of trading. Moving average. If you are trading like this, it will only work in trending market. But if market is in range, you will 100% fail. Now, most traders believe that if you apply more moving averages, you will earn more profits. This is completely wrong. This will only lead to confusion. Now, you all are waiting for the moving average. Before I move with this video forward, it would be great if you like this video. I like to use 20 and 50 period moving average for this strategy. Before you jump into using this strategy, there are some rules that you must first understand and follow for best results. 1. If you are looking for a buy entry, the 20 moving average must cut the 50 moving average from below. And, if you are looking for a sell entry, the 20 moving average must cut the 50 moving average from above. 2. If you have understood the rule 1, the buy entry will be only made when the market is in downtrend, and the sell entry will be only made when the market is in uptrend. Now, once you have understood these 2 points, we have to combine this with chart patterns, because price action is the king. If you don't know what I mean by chart pattern, don't worry, I have already created a video on this. To make this simple, let me show you an example for selling. Here first we identified market is an uptrend. Second, we can also draw a trend line like this with the following points shown. Now that you confirmed these steps, you have to wait for crossover to take place, and the trend line must also break with bearish candlestick. Confirmations. Uptrend. Price following trend line. Crossover took place. Final trend line broke with bearish candlestick. This moving average crossover strategy can also be used in range market. But before that, let me show you a buying entry with this strategy. Confirmations. Downtrend. Price rejecting trend line. Crossover took place. Final trend line broke with bullish candlestick. Now that you have understood how to buy or sell in uptrend and downtrend, I will show you how to apply this strategy in range markets. Once you have identified that you are in range market, the same steps that we discussed must be applied here. Now, if you are not aware, how does range market looks like? I have already created a video on this, please watch it. Confirmations. Range market. Price in range sideways. Crossover took place. Final trend line broke with bullish candlestick. Let me summarize the entries for uptrend, downtrend, and range market. I hope you gained some knowledge from this video. Please make sure you like this video. This helps with the channel.